In this video, I will show you how you can scan documents on any Samsung tablet, even if your tablet does not support this feature. Now for the first method, just open the camera app, then tap on the four dots over here. From this menu, just go to Settings. Now on the screen, you will find the option for Scan Documents. Now just make sure you enable this toggle. And after that, just tap on anywhere on the screen and you can use the camera app of your tablet to scan your documents. Now for example, let's scan this document. Now just fit the document in the camera frame, and once you see this yellow frame forming around the document, just tap on the document icon on the screen. And as you can see, we have successfully scanned the document. Now just drag these dots and make them fit around the document which you want to scan. And once you're done scanning your document, just tap on Save. Now as you can see, if I tap on the photo, this is the document which we have scanned. Just like that. Now if you have an older Samsung tablet and if your tablet does not have the scan document feature, so in that case, just follow the next method. For that, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your tablet. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Next. Then tap on Continue. Now just give this app all these permissions. Now from here, just fit your document in the camera frame. And once your document fits the camera frame, just tap on the shutter button over here. As you can see, we have successfully scanned the document. You can crop into the document as you like. After that, just go back. And from here, you can apply filters to your document. And once you're done editing your document, just tap on Done. And as you can see, this is the document which we have scanned. And this is how you can scan documents on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.